Right, I'm going to show you now the HTC Desire, the new phone. I'm going to switch it off, switch it on from the top, little button up there, and that starts to boot up the phone. I've had the phone for about a week and a half. I've played with it, really enjoyed the phone, really nice phone, easy to use. It's got lots of little apps and little things that it does very well. It's fast. Um, the only thing that's a problem at the moment is the battery life. It's not the greatest in the world, and if you do use it the way I do, which is have 3 or 4 email accounts, etc., then it just tends to run out of battery if you've been doing a lot of stuff with it. Right, I've set this up. I'm going to just put the password in. And we're into the main home screen. You can see that this can be personalized. The home screen can be personalized. You just go in there and you've got a list of the programs. You go into settings, personalize, scenes, and you can see there's a whole bunch of options which you can then select. I've already set mine up the way I want to. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to add things to your home screen. But first, if I just show you what's called the helicopter view, you pinch that and you've got now 5 home screens, and you just click on the one you want and you can go back in there. Now let's say I want to add a widget here. I just put my finger on there, it opens it up, and let's say I want the calendar, which is there. They've got 3 different types. I want that one, and it's on. Now let's say I want to get rid of it, so I just hold it there and then drop it down into the bin, and it's gone. If I now show you the internet, it's really quite nice. I've got this running on the 3G at the moment, so it will depend on my internet connection here, but let's just tap that in. Now I've already got BBC News on the history, so let's just click on there, and this, you must bear in mind, is not on the Wi-Fi, and then again there. To my mind, that's really quite fast, and it does the usual sort of things that the iPhone does, which once the page has loaded up, I can open it, and you can see it's really quite a readable screen. And then back to close and to go back, and there's this little button here which pretty much uses it to control everything with the back. It's also got a nice little feature which I suspect most smartphones have, is if you're trying to type anything, which I'll show you in a minute, if you go into the mailbox, there's all your various email accounts listed there, and you can flip between them. Now let's say I wanted to do a new email, go in there, and then what you do is, if you just flip the phone over sideways, and you've now got it in landscape mode, flick it back again, back to normal, and there you are. I'm not going to bother with an email at the moment, just wanted to show you that little thing. The other thing, as I've set it all up, there's the marketplace, the Android marketplace. I know it doesn't have 100,000 apps, but it pretty much has all of the apps that I need, and I'm having great fun exploring them, and there are quite a lot of these that are actually free. And once we come back here, as you can see, the home screen, you can do whatever you want with it, set up whatever widgets you need, and that's really all I have to say about this phone. It's a really nice phone. I've enjoyed using it, and I'm hoping that it's not the lack of battery life is not going to irritate me in the long run, but we'll wait and see. I hope you enjoy that. I'm just going to hold the phone, show you what the back looks like, and with the logo, nothing very exciting. It's also got a 5-megapixel camera, and with a flash, and obviously it can take video. So this is the HTC Desire, and at some point I will do a follow-up, maybe in a few weeks time.